Okay. So it looks like I got some few boxes inside a box. Put that to the side real quick. I don't know what these pieces are yet, but I'll figure it out. The manual. You guys can see that manual. Some metal pipes. Not too sure what these are yet, but hopefully I know what to do with these things. And the 2 glass plates. Now these are tempered glass. It feels strong, so hopefully these would hold the weight. In fact, the weight of the receiver is about 22 pounds, and I believe that this glass by itself does hold up to 22 pounds. So this, I should not have any issues with the weight for the receiver. All right, got the 2 glasses here. I'm gonna put them on top of each other. I don't want them awkwardly laying on top of each other. All right, so that's the two glasses. You have the manual. Not too sure what these are yet. What's in here? Ooh, some hardware here. Okay. Got some anchors, got some screws and anchors. I do have a stud finder. I do have one, so I will just dig that up and see if that can help me find some studs in the wall. If not, I'll have to use these anchors to hold up the bracket on the mount on the wall. Yeah. Oh, these are the back plates. Metal. Top and bottom. Okay, and these, I don't know, some 2 metal rods. So this is everything in the box, guys. Let me just try to cut these open. What's this? What's that? We got some sort of mildew here. This better not be used. Sometimes Amazon people want to play people out sometimes. I don't know what this is. I don't know if you guys could catch. I don't know if I can catch on it. There it is. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but you know, okay, you know, hey, it's black, so maybe I do got some solution there. I'm gonna try to see if I can wipe that off. Might have happened during shipping, all up and down. It got on here too. It looked like some sort of residue. It looked like water or some sort of solution residues on it. This one looks fine. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, and look at it. I don't know if you guys could catch it on camera, but there's some sort of, you got some nice golden glitter in the paint. I haven't seen something like that in a long time. Normally, you know, when I was, younger, back in high school days, you see the young new drivers out there with the new black paint with little glitter inside the paint jobs. You don't see too many glitter and paint jobs anymore. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to move everything out the way, the chair, the speaker. Take my time with this baby. I want to mess this baby up. Just get this out the way. Okay. These here are actually the meshes for the speakers. Believe it or not, just have it able. It's still in the box. All right. So I get the chair. Move out the firewood. just vacuum this floor real quick.
Oh, the center right here. That's perfect, I think. This point here to there is about 14 and a half. And it's about 16.
So I got the plate on the wall. So next step is to assemble the unit. Make some room over here. So let's see, I'm gonna do this now. This could be a long video, guys, so bear with me. If you don't have the time, save it and come back to it later. So I'm gonna try and do this for the first time, and hopefully anyone that's having issues with this could follow this video. So right now I'm getting the 2 rods out right now, okay? 2 rods are out. Look like it could go up like this, on top of each other like this. As you can see, okay? These 2 plates right here. So I got the rod, taking out this right here. Okay. So if you guys hear my little son is up. So he'll be making a lot of noise here and there. So if you guys don't like children, click off. All right. Now I was able, going back to the wall plate, I was able to catch a stud. So that shit is right in the stud. I ain't going nowhere. I put about, I think, 3 screws into the stud. So it's good. It ain't going nowhere. Take my time. I don't put no scratches on this plate. I did see some reviews on Amazon of it shattering. So I don't know why it would shatter. Sometimes when glass tend to explode like that, it's sometimes due to shipping. Sometimes it will take a certain hit and it's actually fractured within the glass, and all it takes is a certain pressure for it to explode. So hopefully during shipping it's all in good standing. The glass does feel pretty heavy. Where's the manual? Right here. Plastic under here. Just can't be too careful, guys. It's just glass. No smoke. Oh wait. So the metal granite. So this is going to be on just like this. Whew. Like that. Hope you guys can see that. So this is how it's going to look. Let's see if I can move the camera just a little bit. All right, there we go. So that's how it's gonna look, right on top of the glass, the plastic touching the glass. But yeah, guys, this looks so delicate. Next plastic piece will go underneath. So you guys, I'm gonna show it to you guys. I don't want to move the camera too much, so this is gonna go underneath. Around the pins, or the rods, I should say. Okay, man, keep still, bro. All right. There we go. There it is. Let's make this more close to the glass in the bottom. All right. Wait a minute. This is so funny. So this is how it's looking so far. Right,
then yeah, let me see if I can focus it properly. There it is. So this is how it's supposed to look. Well, how I got it to look. Then I improvised. Boom! Look at that, huh? 5 by 2. So there you go. So all I gotta do is basically finish up the last touches, and it should be able to hang up after I get it all tightened up and everything. Now you got a small little piece right here. This is how it will look from underneath. So so what I did so far, I got the third plate on there. This is the third plate on the third back piece underneath. So now I'm screwing in the bolts at the bottom. This piece right here is gonna go underneath here to catch that rod. And you can see it, I can see it coming close to each other as I tighten it up from top to the bottom. Let me see if I can show you guys. Alright. Guys, I'm doing the best I can. I'm doing the best I can so you guys can see what I'm doing. Where is it? There it is. Okay. I'm making a shelf, buddy. Making a shelf. Now, what I'm not going to do, guys, I'm not going to do it tight. I'm just going to do it firm enough so that way I won't have to, this thing won't break on me. I've seen some reviews of over tightening. Okay, that's tight enough. That's good enough. I'm gonna try it over here now. Get over here. That's good. I'm not overdoing it. Top of that back. Got my drill. All right. So let's get this thing on the mount, the level. And let's go. Now, what I didn't do, now again, I did not slightly or over tighten the screws here because you just may never know. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no glass on this floor because just to make sure it needs to be tightened some more. So I just left it just the right amount of tightness. Okay. This thing is not even straight. Okay, there we are. Okay. All right, let's get that in there now. Straight. It's better than what it was before, so I'll take it. All right, guys, I'm gonna get my screwdriver. Give me one moment. Okay, that's in. Not in the way. It's not too high at the window. Okay, I catch the studs in the back. What you cut? That's it. What you guys think? Let me see. Now, guys, here comes the weight test. So it's just the right amount of space right here. See, not just amount. Where is it? Just the right amount of space between here and here. All right. So let's take out that receiver out the box and see how that shit look. Hopefully it doesn't explode. All right, I'm nervous. All right, so let's get that thing out of the box. Got this so far. Put 2 huge pillows on the floor. Let me get that vacuum just in case. Boy, I tell you, can I be too careful? I should put on shoes too. So let's see how it goes.
Oh, it's holding. Oh, it fits really well. Okay, it doesn't. I didn't over tighten it. Oh guys, I did it. Guys, I motherfucking did it. There we go. So it fits well, guys. It's holding it. The feet are just right. It's not hanging off. It's not. Oh, so guys, I hope this stays. As you can tell, I got the pillows on the bottom. I ain't playing no games. It's holding up pretty well. So far, so good. I hope in the near future, or I should just say, I hope there's no incidents onwards. You know, only time will tell. I still have a 3-year-old he's a little badass kid, but I gotta watch him. So yeah, I was worried. I'm not sure what I was worried about. So I was worried about. Let me show you. So I got this. Okay, brighten this up a little bit. It's a little dark. Okay, so I got this speaker on top, right? So I was worried that the glass would be in the way, but it looked like there's enough clearance. See, if I put this here, it's just enough clearance. It's just enough. There you go. There's enough space to clear it and hit that ceiling. So I'm good. I'm good. Dolby Atmos, guys. Dolby Atmos. Cannot wait to experience this shit. But yeah, guys, this is it. Yeah, enough clearance. It's enough clearance, guys. You could comfortably sit right here and there's no issue. Look at that from a distance. That's my son up there, guys. Look like a G. Look like a G. All right, here we go. Boom. Boom. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. I know this could be a very long video, but I'm gonna try to edit it, try to get as short as possible. I know I could do that, so that's no problem. So there it is, guys. I'm gonna do some shorts and put online so you guys can take a look on Instagram and on shorts on YouTube. Guys, subscribe, comment down below. Any suggestions, anything at all, just leave it down below. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. If you don't like what y'all see, throw it down below. I'll answer all your questions. But yeah, so far, guys, I'm happy. I'm happy. The only thing that I have to note that kind of took me back, why I stood there, why I paused after I placed it there. So once I had placed the unit, the glass kind of, I guess the whole unit or the glass just kind of lean forward a little bit, like almost downward tilts. So I was kind of nervous. So that's why I didn't tighten it. So I left it so I have a little bit of give, right? So if anything, guys, if you want to get something like this, do not over tighten it. Just tighten it just right. I will stress this amount just because when I'm looking at the way they implement the plastic around underneath, plastic's hard. So it's not really giving there's no cushion. You know what I'm saying? So because there's no cushion, I wouldn't recommend over tightening it. All right, guys, so enough of me blabbing my mouth off. Until